Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot verify identity. Your action could not be completed because of server error on iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type issue on your iPhone or iPad screen, that whenever you try to change your Apple ID password, you'll get a this type error on your screen. So let's see how can you easily fix that. So there's a simple way to fix the issue. You must have to reset your network, or you can also try to refresh your network. So let's see how can you do that. You have to scroll down your quick center and you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connection on your iPhone. If you find any connected VPN here, you have to try to disconnect with the VPN, and then you have to also try to enable to or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset and select reset network setting, enter your passcode. Then select reset network setting. From the confirmation message pop-up, hit to reset all of your network setting. It will not delete your data, it will just reset your network setting, and after that your issue will be fixed. You have to retry. You just have to tab on your Apple ID here, then select sign in and security, and now you just have to wait for the next screen. If it doesn't open, you have to go back and relaunch your setting, and then retry, then select change password. Now verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password, or you can also try your iPhone passcode here. And here you just have to change your password by entering your new password and retype your new password here. Then tap on continue option and your password will be successfully changed without any issue on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.